Water heaters are essential appliances that ensure hot water is just a tap away. They operate using a simple principle: heating water through various methods, like electric coils or gas burners. In electric heaters, electricity flows through heating elements submerged in water, warming it up while a thermostat regulates the temperature. Gas heaters use a burner to create flames that heat up the tank's water. Moreover, tankless models are gaining popularity, delivering hot water on demand by heating it directly as it flows through the unit. Understanding these mechanisms helps us appreciate the convenience of hot water in our daily lives.